synchronous. So for anything that requires IO intensive tasks, you should use asynchronous code. If you know you're going to hit a database, if you know you're going to read a file, if you know you have to use a set timeout, use asynchronous code. Don't use synchronous code. How do I improve performance of my code to prevent blocking the main thread from handling long tasks like loop, for example, without dealing other asynchronous operations? So you can't unfortunately do that in JavaScript without getting fancy. JavaScript is a single threaded language, so unfortunately you have a single thread. If you have a CPU intensive task that is running, that has occupied the thread, there's nothing you can do. Other asynchronous tasks have to wait. What you can do is spawn worker threads, which we can get to if you want, or you can start Node.js using this thing called the cluster module. Basically start a bunch of Node.js processes so that you can have multiple processes, one doing one task, other doing another task. Too fancy of a thing to talk about right now. Right now, no, it is just a single thread. If you had 10 async operations, they're all waiting in the callback queue. They will keep waiting in the callback queue until your CPU intensive task is done. Does answer that? What is the difference between import and module? Import is a more newer way for you to import code. This is what the elf argument means. It just means whoever was the maintainer of this specific version, whoever was the author of this, calls your callback function. You give it a signature, they will call it in this format. Formalize code 3 and continue to journal. Great. Beautiful. Code 3 kernel. What does kernel mean? Like journal, continuous journal of code 3. Link to slides, recorded videos, video 1, video 2. What happened? Stuff to do. Hakirat. Explore this. Great. This is great. We should bring this in house, sir. Aditya loves jujitsu@gmail.com. Let's talk on Twitter. Ping me on Twitter. Let's formalize this and put this somewhere. What if we are doing 3 to 4 console log statements below extensive tasks? Then first those 4 log statements will run, then your callback will run. जब तक आपका CPU free नहीं होता, until your call stack is empty, nothing will get pulled from here. So first all those logs will run, then will get pulled. How do we actually